boiling already. Look at this.
This video is going to cover two items: the Melita pour over carafe video portion, and then the COMFEE electric tea kettle. I have had it with drip coffee makers. The Melita will fit comfortably over a cup, uses a number 4 filter like most of our drip makers, has a really nice seal with a beautiful cover that does not leak when you pour. The COMFEE tea kettle to heat the water for the Melita removes from its base, pop lid for easy filling, filter. 3 minutes for hot water, 5 minutes for coffee. I can make it faster this way than I can make it with a drip maker. There will be no more rusted hot plates and no more leaking water dispensers full of bacteria. Done. Great way to do things. Thank you, both companies.
So sad that I spent my money to buy this product that I rated so high per everybody's own rating and purchases, because it had high numbers of purchases, and I thought it was going to be a very good product. To my shock, just moments ago, I just took a look at inside of this kettle. I noticed this rusty color in it. I wish my refund return moment time window is still active, because I would have just sent this back, and I will still call Amazon to report my disappointment in this product. I felt like this kettle should have been serving me better, but I'm shocked that it's rusty inside, and I've been drinking from this flask since I bought it, and I feel like I was cheated upon by the company to make their product so cheap and so low. I thought that this COMFEE was going to be a good product for me for my usage, but I'm shocked that this is what I'm seeing. I'm going to report this video so that everybody should be aware. They cannot be doing this to their customers. That is very, very disappointing.
Okay, so it's on and it's starting to boil. You guys can kind of hear the noise of the temperature rising. The hotter it gets, you kind of see the steam here. And as it gets hotter, you should show it kind of boiling here. And you can hear it also. See how it's boiling in here? And you can even hear it. Steam coming out. Yes. Okay, and so let's see. Nice hot water. I love it. Thanks.
Está buenísimo. Me acaba de llegar, ordené el Prime Day, me acaba de llegar ahorita y la verdad que está buenísima. Me encantó, me encantó. Le eché poquita agua nada más para calarla, pero sí, de verdad que ya se apaga sola. Miren, ya se va a apagar solita, ya está hirviendo. Yo creo que menos del minuto empezó a hervir. Quiero ver cómo se apaga solito. Oh, ya ven, se apagó.
I purchased this a couple days ago and it just arrived today. I am making a coffee bar and I thought this would be a great addition. It is very good because it literally filled 12 cups of water. Started boiling 12 cups of water in less than a minute. It has a little plate on the bottom that it comes on and off. It has a switch right here. It has a button to lift the lid. The lid stays up. There's a filter, of course, a filter inside. And look, the water is boiling now. See? And I just plugged it up. I love this. This is amazing. Very inexpensive. Very quick to assemble. I mean, all you have to do is just plug it up. I would definitely recommend this.
I'm happy with this kettle. It boils fast, it's lightweight, it's aesthetically pleasing, it matches my K-cup, and I've already boiled it. The only thing I would say is that it can get noisy when you start out with, with the cold water for the first start of the morning. It can be noisy, but other than that, I have no issues with it. I like the kettle. I think it's it's worth the $25 that you spend on it.
Turn on that thing and it's boiling. When it finishes boiling, it's gonna pop up, it's red. Watch that. Less than 5 minutes. Thumbs up.
Very good.